Hi, I'm Air Canada Flyer, and I'm here to do the unboxing, a complete unboxing of, well, I'm not going to tell you. It's Threshold Aviation, and no, it is not a Boeing 747 Delta or an American 737, as I received an email that they are not in stock right now, and they're going to see if they can find it. First, I'm going to remove the shipping order. By the way, I've never opened this package, so I'm really excited. I have my unboxing knife. And I'm opening it. Threshold Aviation, one airplane, 2 airplanes from the ground up workbook. Thank you for your order. First plane I'm going to show you is Qantas 767-200ER. I made this. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna make it part 1 and 2. Next plane is a Airbus A330-200 One World livery, as the One World livery 747 is out of stock at the moment, and they're trying to find it. And finally, I ordered from the ground up workbook, which has nothing to do with Gemini. I just ordered it because I want to be a pilot. The first plane I'm going to unbox for part 1 is going to be a Qantas 767-200ER. Please watch part 2 for the Qantas Airbus A330-200. This plane is very small, as it is a 767-200. It's very small. Actually, I'm going to go grab a 767-300ER to compare it to. This is a 767-300ER compared to it. As you see, it is very small compared to it, and it's a very nice plane. This plane is also dedicated, this aircraft is dedicated to American Airlines Flight 111, is dedicated to American Airlines Flight 111, though that plane did crash into the World Trade Center. This is a very beautiful plane, rolling, and it does have rolling landing gear. Very nice engines, and it's a very nice plane. I didn't expect it to be this small, but what do you expect when it's Gemini Jet 1/400 scale? Thanks for joining us. Please watch part 2 coming up next.